Footlocks, all day, every day.
At Subway.
3, 4. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. I got Reese's Puffs in my bowl. Nowadays on cruise control. I got Reese's Puffs in my bowl. And just like that, I'm I kick too. You know how I do, that's what I wake up to. My Reese's Puffs inspired this rhyme. That peanut butter chocolate combination's on time. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs.
Will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kenton, Norris, Farmington, and Elmwood at around 4:05 p.m., Gloucester and Kickapoo at around 4:10 p.m., Peoria and East Peoria at around 4:15 p.m., Washington at around 4:25 p.m. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to Banner, Barton, Marquette Heights, Interstate 74 between mile markers 63 and 97, and Interstate 474 between mile markers 1 and 13. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.